How to fix WhatsApp incoming call not showing on screen. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. Now first of all, go to the Play Store application on your device and on the search bar just search for WhatsApp application. Make sure it is updated to its latest version on your device. So as you can see, it is updated to its latest version on my device. So I can just go back and tap on the settings of the device and just scroll down, tap on apps, then tap on manage apps, then search for WhatsApp application on your search bar or just scroll down from the app list. So I'm just gonna scroll and find the WhatsApp application over here. After that, tap on clear data at the bottom right corner, then tap on clear cache, select OK, then tap on app permissions over here. Now make sure that all the options such as files and media, your microphone, your phone, location, camera, and contacts are given access to the application. Now after that, go back and then tap on the power button and tap on reboot and restart the device. So this might definitely help you in solving your issue. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification for more updates. That's it for today and see you next time.